This is evidence for Aboriginal activity thousands of years ago when the seabed of today was dry land. So it's significant for a few reasons. Number one, it's a proof of concept. We were able to demonstrate beyond just the potential for site survival that ancient Aboriginal sites can be preserved on what is now the continental shelf of Australia. So I think it will make an impact and hopefully change the way people think about Australian archaeology.
And do you know exactly how old these sites are, and just how did they come to be underwater in the first place?
We know how old at least they must be. We haven't pinned down the exact date, but we know that one of the sites is at least 7,000 years old, and the other site is at least 8,500 years old. Our team of scuba divers found the first site in fairly shallow water, but it ended up being a pretty amazing collection of stone tools underwater.
It seems pretty incredible that these objects will have been preserved, given that they've been underwater for thousands of years. How uncommon is this?
Well, actually, underwater archaeology, as difficult as it is to access or find in some cases, really has a good record of preservation. Once sites kind of find an equilibrium and they stabilize, they can just remain undisturbed for thousands of years. And we're dealing here with stone tools as well. They don't degrade, they don't erode. The edges are still sharp. You do have to look through a bit of silt to find them, so there's a bit of an exercise and a learning curve in looking for stone tools.